Just going to do a quick review on the LED Lenser or LED Lenser P3. It's a small AAA flashlight, and yeah, I was actually pretty impressed with it. One thing to note is it actually has an aspherical lens, and it's also got this rapid focus system, which I'll just quickly show you, and then I'll show you some beam shots later. So this is the rapid focus. So this would be the focus mode, and this just being the regular mode. There you can see it a little bit better from a distance. One thing to note is this beam is actually not as bright when it's like this, but it gives a nice even tone. So for example, if you wanted to read something, you could do that without getting the mean hotspot that you would with this setting. Yeah, so it's a pretty good light. Couple things that I'd like to note about it is that it is a forward click light with the ability to do momentary on, which is pretty useful. It's pretty good quality. It comes with some decent accessories. It comes with this sheath here, which is just nylon. One cool thing about it is it's actually Velcro, and it also has this button, so that way it's going to be secure wherever you put it to. Another thing that's kind of cool about this is you could fit other similar lights into here. I just ordered a micro stream that I'm going to check it out and see if it fits in here, and that would be cool if it does. The clip on it, it's pretty secure, although it is a removable clip. You can slide it off like that, which is kind of cool because you can slide it back on and put it onto your hat. There. So once you get it on there, you could clip that onto your hat and have it forward facing. Yeah, the only things that I can note that I didn't like about the light is the fact that the tail cap here, it's a little bit recessed, so you kind of almost have to push into the light to get it to go on. If you see how far it has to go in before it engages, that's probably the only thing that I don't really like about the light. They also have a model called the P2, which is very similar, but it has an even head on it. It's not as bulky, so I would think that would be a better keychain light, as to where this one is just really a small all-purpose accessory light. It has a good run time of 6.5 hours at 14 lumens. The P2 version is 13 lumens with also 6.5. Alright, here we go. So this would be when the head of the flashlight is fully pushed back towards yourself. This is what I thought was neat about this light. Just by sliding the head of the flashlight forward, you get this very concentrated spotlight beam. Now, a couple things to note about this beam is it's actually less bright when it's focused like this than it is when it's like this. A couple things that you can do is you can have a in between, which will give you the best of both worlds. And I think that when it's on spotlight like this, it's not meant to be brighter. It's actually just meant to be more focused. So if you need to read something, you're not going to get that glare of the hot spot coming back in your eyes.